This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Don Droke. Rare opportunity to own a custom-built, upgraded home in the Place at Corkscrew. Offered for resale for the first time, this stunning Nobility floor plan is just 4 years old and boasts exceptional upgrades on a sprawling 0.35-acre lot with breathtaking, unobstructed views of one of the community's most beautiful preserves. Nestled in a tranquil corner of the Place at Corkscrew, this home offers a perfect blend of privacy and natural beauty, allowing you to enjoy nature's full display in peace and serenity. The oversized 961 square feet, 3-car garage, ideal for car, motorcycle or hobby enthusiast with its high-end epoxy flooring, ceiling fan, mini split air conditioner system and plenty of room for storage and workbench space. Inside, the home offers a spacious and thoughtfully laid out floor plan with a luxurious owner's retreat, including a den/office in the master suite. Storage is abundant, with generous walk-in closets, a large bonus closet and custom built-ins throughout. The chef's kitchen is a masterpiece, featuring quartz countertops, high-grade stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry with soft closed doors, a double oven, a cooktop, and a gourmet range hood, perfect for culinary enthusiasts. The home's design also includes zero-corner sliding glass doors that open to a backyard with endless potential for an outdoor oasis. Whether you dream of adding a pool, spa, or outdoor kitchen, the space is ready to accommodate it all. Level 5 upgraded kitchen, 8 appliances, 42 cabinets. Soft closed drawers, built-in pull-out drawers in cabinets, polished quartz counters, glossy glass, bright white backsplash, LED motion sensor lighting, engineered wood, custom tile and upgraded carpets. Crown molding, solid core doors, large storage closet in master suite, comfort high cabinets, and upgraded toilets, 2 large walk-in closets, owner retreat in master suite, den office, landscape lighting, plantation shutters, custom ceiling fans, custom built-ins throughout, security system, smart home package, extended outdoor lanai porch plumbed for outdoor kitchen, ring security cameras in front and back, large laundry room with high-end Whirlpool washer dryer and laundry wash sink, zero-corner sliding glass doors and full hurricane protection. The Place at Corkscrew offers an exceptional resort-style lifestyle, with amenities that include a massive pool with water slides, beach volleyball, pickleball, tennis courts, a fitness center, a restaurant and lounge, a dog park, basketball courts, and walking and biking trails. Golf carts are permitted, making it easy to explore the community and enjoy its picturesque surroundings. This home can also be purchased partially furnished for the right price. Don't miss out on this rare chance to own a truly exceptional property in one of the area's most sought-after communities. Schedule your private showing today and experience firsthand all that this spectacular home